Okay everyone, so I will start with the file new, and there you can see that there is no name .cpp. So this is a C++ file. First of all, I will go to the file and save and give it .c. Okay, now the name of the file I am giving the tab because I am learning the tab space over there with this program. We are learning programs one by one and we are learning new things. That's why these programs are there. So this is the program where we are learning how that these tab spaces are used. So first of all, everybody know that the void main is the main program, and in the void main, let us suppose that I have to print something. So first of all, I am printing. Let us suppose that this program we are taking with the name of somebody, and then we want that their marks, assuming, should come. So these two things we have done together. Okay. Now if I press Control F9, you see error. There should be printf. Control F9. So it is then Alt F5. You see name and marks are coming. Everybody is aware that to hold the printf function is the part of your hash include stdio.h. I will do this thing 10 times so that you will remember everything. Then further to holding the screen, we are having the getch, get character, and this getch is the part of your hash include conio.h. Console Control F9. Now simply the output is coming, but the problem is there two times name and marks are coming. So what we are doing, we are putting the clear screen CLR. Now Control F9, name and marks are coming. Let us suppose that as the program is saying us to show 3 students and their marks. So now printf, let us suppose that the student name is Krishna, then the marks are, let us suppose, 91, then printf. Okay, you see the output one by one. Control F9, Krishna 91 coming, but there is a problem. I want this Krishna 91 into the next line /n. New line character. Control F9, it is coming into new line. Now printf, then we are having the another student. Let us suppose that Aryan is there, 92 marks are there. Okay, then Control F9, see the step by step output, it is coming like this. Then one more student we are taking, that is printf Vivek. Let us suppose that 98 marks Vivek is scoring. Okay, so Control F9, so 98. So these are the output coming like this. I am giving the space. One more thing, I can give the space like this by myself. I can give the space like few spaces I can provide. It is my own wish. So that I can also provide. And whatever the space in between, compiler will take it because all this thing will be taken as a space. This space is also the part of character. So compiler will just take it because everything is in double quotes. So double quotes, the compiler will take this thing together. Now Control F9, the output is coming like this. The space is coming, you can see that. But that is not a good method that every time I provide the space like this because the good programmers don't go with the spaces. So what I am doing, there is a special character just like /n for the new line. We are having the /t for the tab space. So /t for the tab space. See, this space I am giving as per my own wish so that you guys can see /t very easily. Otherwise this space is also not required. I can simply write /t, it will work. But here it is a good method so that you and the person who is going to study your program will understand that you have placed the /t. So Control F9, now automatically they are giving the tab spaces. Even if you can provide /t multiple times, okay, so that is the thing. You can see that this 91 is going somewhere far because the Krishna automatically is taking some of the space. That tab space will shift to the next of the line. Okay, so what you can do, you can provide double /t if you want. it will give you the double tap space. If maybe the Krishna at your screen is taking the different one, you see this Krishna is somewhere, then it will be the correct output. Control F9. Now check out. If anybody is facing the problem, right, compiling and running, you must simple know that this is the running and there the keys are mentioned, Control F9. So simply I press there, that is already printed. And how it is printed? Because the getch function is given, that will hold out the screen. Okay. Otherwise, there are multiple steps: compilation, Alt F9 if you want to see that program is a success or not. Then the window user screen, that is for the output. So all these steps are not required because the getch clear screen functions are already applied. You see that if I press Control F9, there will be the output like this, and this special character work with the small letter because the C is the case sensitive language. If I have the big letter T, then if I press Control F9, you see the T is coming now, Krishna T91. So the special character should be in the small. Now you see the output is coming proper.